Hey guys, welcome to my channel Accounts Accuracy. Today we are going to study about admission of a partner. In admission of a partner, basically what happens, a new partner gets admitted to the existing firm, and while admitting a new partner to the firm, the old partners share their profit with the new partner. Now suppose if there were two partners who were eating the whole pizza among themselves. If the third partner comes, then out of this whole pizza, they will definitely give a certain amount of portion to the new partner. So this portion of 1/4 has been given away to the new partner. Then in that case, the leftover only will be taken by the old partners. So this way you have to think about the profit also. If the whole pizza you will consider as the whole profit share, then you will easily be able to understand that after giving away a certain portion, the leftover portion of the share will be divided among the old partners. Suppose just think about the profit also as a whole, just like a pizza. So from pizza, as 1/4 portion has been given to the new partner, in the same way, if 1/4 portion of share of the total share will be given to the new partner, the leftover share will only be divided among the old partners. So that's how you have to think. Suppose if there were two partners, Ram and Krishna, and they were sharing the profit in the ratio 5:3, and they admitted a new partner, that is Shiv, for 1/4 share of profit. So you have to consider the total share as 1. Just as this total pizza 1, you have to consider the total share as 1. The total share as 1 was being divided among the two partners, but as 1/4 portion has been given to the new partner, so you are going to deduct 1/4 portion which will be given to the new partner. So the leftover profit which will be left to be shared among the old partners will be how much? 3/4. So if 3/4 will be left to be shared among the old partners, that way you have to think about this sum also. So first of all, you have to consider total share as 1, and Shiv, the new partner, has been admitted for 1/4 share, so you will deduct this 1/4 share out of total 1. So leftover profit which will be left to be shared among old partners will be 3/4. Now this 3/4 will be shared among Ram and Krishna, the old partners, in the old ratio, that is 5:3. So this 5/8 portion of 3/4 you have to calculate, and 3/8 portion of 3/4 you have to calculate in order to know that how much share will be with Ram and how much share will be with Krishna after giving away 1/4 portion of the total 1. So this 5/8 into 3/4 is equal to 15/32. This will be left with Ram, because Ram's share 5/8 portion of 3/4 will be Ram's share, and 3/8 portion of 3/4 will be Krishna's share. This is how you will get the new profit of the three partners. Ram's profit is 15/32, which we have calculated here, and Krishna's share is 9/32, which we have calculated here, and Shiv's share is 1/4, that is 8/32. Remember, while comparing the ratio, we have to keep all the denominators equal. For Shiv, the denominator was 4, which you need to make 32. So you have to multiply 8 with denominator and numerator. So 4 8s are 32 and 1 8s are 8. It will be 8/32. Here the three ratios will be compared, and your new ratio will come 15:9:8, as each of the ratios have same denominator. So your new ratio is 15:9:8. Now case 2. Now let's see what happens in case 2. Here you have been provided that how much portion Priya sacrificed from her share and how much portion Raj sacrificed from his portion. So directly the amount which is given will be deducted from their old share. Out of 5/8, Priya has given 1/10 to new partner, that is Tia, and Raj has given 1/10 out of his 3 by 8 portion. Wherever you will see from word, you have to understand that you are going to do deductions. So 1 by 10 you will deduct from 5 by 8 the old portion of Priya, and you will get 2 by 21 by 40. When you will deduct 1 by 10 portion which she has sacrificed to the new partner, you are getting 21 by 40. Again from 3 by 8, that is Raj's share, you will deduct 1 by 10th share which he has sacrificed to Tia, then you will get 11 by 40. This is the amount of profit which will be left with Raj after sacrificing 1 by 10, and this is the share which will be left with Priya after sacrificing 1 by 10, and this Tia would be getting 1 by 10 from Raj and 1 by 10 from Priya. So both will be added and Tia's profit share would be 2 by 10. So this 2 by 10 is the denominator, but you need to make it 40. So you will multiply it with 4 with denominator and numerator. Your new share of Tia would come 8 by 40. That means 10 fours are 40 and 2 fours are 8. So you are getting 8 by 40. So this is how you would get the new share of the three partners. That is, Priya's share is 21 by 40, Raj's share is 11 by 40, and Tia's share is 8 by 40. So this, all the denominators are 40. So your ratio will be 21 is to 11 is to 8. In the same way, the third case which you get is your share, which you need to calculate that how much share the Priya actually sacrificed. Here 1/20th share of her old share she has sacrificed. That means you are going to calculate what amount of share actually she surrendered, because here the ratio which she has sacrificed out of her old share is given. So that you need to calculate the actual share which she surrendered. So 1/20th portion of 5 by 8 would come by multiplying, and I have given you one hint also here that off word tells that you have to first multiply and then calculate the real value which she actually sacrificed. So 1 by 20th portion of 5 by 8, that is her old share, Priya would give away. So 1/20th portion of 5 by 8 would come 1 by 32, and again Raj has sacrificed his 1 by 24th portion of the old share, that is 3 by 8. That also you will calculate by multiplying 1 by 24 with the old share, that is 3 by 8. So 1 by 24 into 3 by 8, your portion will come that he would sacrifice would be 1 by 64. Now as you have got the real share which they will surrender to the new incoming partner, that is Priya, has been derived, you would easily be able to deduct from their old share. So from their old share you will deduct the actual amount of surrendered share value. So from 5 by 8 you will deduct this 1 by 32 which she is sacrificing to Tia. You will get what would be the new share of Priya after sacrificing to Tia. Now again from Raj also you will deduct this portion sacrificed to Tia. So from 3 by 8 you will deduct 1 by 64. You will get the new share which will be left with Raj after sacrificing 1 by 64 to Tia. And as Tia is getting 1 by 32 from Priya and 1 by 64 from Raj, her new share 3 by 64, because you will add both the sacrifices of Priya and Raj in order to know what Tia is actually getting. So 3 by 64 she would be getting in total. Now new ratio of all the three partners will be compared after making the denominators equal. Here the denominator is 32, so you need to make it 64 by multiplying with 2. 32 into 2 is 64 and 19 into 2 will come 38. So 38 is to 23 is to 3 is the new share of the three partners Priya, Raj and Tia. So this is all for today. In my next video I would explain you how to calculate the sacrificing ratio. If you liked my video, please don't forget to hit the big fat like button, because it motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thanks for watching.